Okay, so I've been working on now is when I built the, I guess, backbone, that's what they call it, it's not straight. It's crooked as hell. I couldn't get the bends right. So what I've done is I'm making a new one. So here it is. So I've already notched it for the neck. Let's see here. So it's going to fit nice. See, it's going to run all the way back here. So basically, hold on a second. I'm going to put it up here, and then I'm going to cut right here. And then that'll allow me to, I don't know if you can see it, but all this is just really crooked. So, but that'll allow me to center the bar and to bend these in and bend that one that way because everything wants to go this way. Yeah. Just small issues I'm having with it, but like even like my rat rod, I started it to basically just throw something together, and then when I start working on it, I realized I just don't want to throw it together. I want to make it nice. So this is me changing things up to make it nicer while I'm waiting for other parts or making other parts. So that's my next thing to do. All right, that's it.